Ladies, have you noticed most prepping advice sounds like it was written by a man who owns 7 machetes and emotionally identifies as a raccoon? They'll tell you survival means spending $47,000 on tactical beans and living in a bunker eating chili from a bucket. But what if preparedness could actually feel peaceful? I teach women how to prepare for emergencies without fear-mongering, without acting like a Navy SEAL, and without draining your bank account. You can start prepping today using things you probably already own. Meanwhile, Wayne spent $8,000 on dehydrated apocalypse lasagna and still doesn't know where his batteries are. You'll know exactly what supplies actually matter, how to protect your family calmly, and what everyone's role is during an emergency. Imagine actually sleeping better at night because you finally feel prepared instead of worried. Click the link below or in the bio and we will send you a bug-out bag checklist for free. We will then send you the information to get the Living Simply Rich emergency binder.